welcome to another Lincoln's Gaming video. This is a song for the intro. Welcome to another Lincoln's Gaming video. Yeah, series part 2. Okay, so, yeah, we're back doing another video. Okay, let's turn back on the background music. Okay, so, no, why am I deleting things? Okay, last time I'm making this logging railway, so let's continue with that. Let's get the logging truck in. Could the logging truck be? Logging truck. Okay. Actually, wait. Is there a logging train? Is there a logging train? There's a logging train! We can use! We've got a logging train! Okay. Let's enable the line. This makes so much more sense now. Because we have a logging train. Oh my gosh, this helps so much with decorations. This makes so much more sense. Where are those piles of logs? Log pile. Okay, let's get a cargo crane. Wait, is that? Imagine if there was a logging cargo crane. That'd be amazing. Oh, I don't think there is. Okay. Excuse my voice there. Let's continue building. Should we build another track, or should we extend the current track? I say extend the current track, because that's just cool. Never mind. Okay, so now we have this logging railway. How long can you make a railway? I wonder. Okay, next on the agenda, decorations, more decorations. We want, like, logging people. Actually, let's make a signalling way first. I want this to be as decorative as possible, like, except for Gigaben. Gigaben's always good. This doesn't really look like a signal. Okay. What could we do next? Let's play around with this a bit. Is this actually... Oh my gosh! Can you change the colour of the light? Please say you can change the colour of the light. Please. Please. Oh, we can make a cool disco place. I can't afford that. Why are these so expensive? Gosh, how much are they? Oh my gosh! That costs more than a railway. Ah, I wish I could drive trains. Oh, I have that. Let's go itty bitties. Small. Look at me! Oh, I love this feature. I absolutely love this feature. Just be able to be itty bitty. Driving the trains would be a treat. He just drives through the signal. Okay, so, next, what should we do? So, we should... How much time do we have left? Oh, we have plenty. Okay, what could we do now? New track. This could be our Grand Central Station. Okay, next. Okay, this can be its whole little village of its own. How long does the platform need to be? Yes. Click. Okay. Let's make this a little town. How about that? Could have the Houses of Parliament. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so we have the Houses of Parliament here. Oh, that looks quite nice. Let's have Big Ben next to it. Okay, so now we have Big Ben. Love the music in this game. Okay, distractions aside, let's build the roads. Because you can't get to the place without roads. Okay, so road, 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 road. Change the road. After little side streets. This could be like our shopping area, our shopping car park. Is there a car park? I think I looked for this last time and I don't think there was. Okay, so that's how you make a car park. That is surely how you make a car park. Space, 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 just like that. Space, space. That's how you make a car park. Let's make it a very full car park as well. Actually, we should have fences around it, shouldn't we? Don't need to be big, do they? Did we never add a parking space there? Weird. Zoom in a bit so you can see a little better. Okay, next. After we make the car park. Okay. It's the actual shopping centre itself. Because you can't have a car park without something to go for the car park. So let's grab the fence. Where did the fence go? I had a fence. Oh, we could have the London Eye. Oh my god. Two London Eyes. Now what's better than one London Eye? Two London Eyes. Because... oh, I see a vision here. We can make a bike. A bike! Oh my gosh, a bike! That so looks like a bike. Big bicycle wheel. This is London. This is London Zone. It's official. London Zone. Got a classic London post box. Actually, pop in the comments. Pop in the comments what you think we should call this station. I'm going to go get a station sign. Right here. Actually, we can name all the stations. How about that? Okay, so I hope to see your suggestions in the comments. If there's no comments, then we're just gonna wait. They're gonna be called station name until we see comments. Station. So the stations up for grabs are the station near the London area. I literally can't afford the signs. They're too expensive. If we don't have enough time. Oh, I can get them in my own time once I have a little bit more. Actually, let's cancel that. Let's add a train here so we can start getting more money. Because it's like a touristy train, we'll add a big. We'll add a. Okay, so there's a session by the London area. There's the two starter stations, so both be named the same. There's the logging station. There's this little town and the cargo area, we'll call it. I will remember these, trust me. You won't actually. I do have plans to extend here, so. Okay, so I think that's the time we have for this video. Yep, just within the length. Okay, so have a lovely day, like and subscribe if possible, and goodbye!